Hello, good morning students. Today in Pandas data frame, I would like to teach you about binary operation. So we will see binary operation over data frame with series. For this I have imported Pandas and I have created one data frame X with keys 0, 1 and 2 and values are lists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. I am creating a series Y with the values 1, 2, 3. Now I am creating a variable new X in which I am calling the binary function add x dot add. I am adding Y to X. Access is 0. I am setting access equals to 0, which says whether row wise or column wise I want to add the things. So access equals to 0 means row wise. So this one will be added to the first row of the data frame, that is this row, and this 2 will be added to the second row and the 3 to be added to the third row. Okay, so this is all about the binary addition. Please don't go for this output, okay? This is somehow incorrect. Let me show you this code by running it, okay? So I am going to my Python editor, that is QPython 3L. I am showing you the code I am already written. The same code I have written, but only the difference is I have printed X and Y separately. Then I am printing the addition result, and this will give you the idea of what is showing over here. Wait for few minutes and the output will come. And see, first I am printing the data frame X. See, this is 147, 258 and 369. So row 0 consists of 147, first row consists of 147, second row consists of 258 and third row consists of 369. And the series I am showing, and the series printing this Y which consists of 1, 2 and 3 value. So the resultant data frame that is coming here, you will see 1 is added to 1, 4 and 7. So 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 5 and 7, 1, 8. In the second row the value 2, 5, 8 is there. In the second row the value 2, 5, 8 is there, in which this 2 is get added. So 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 2, 10. And similarly in the third row of data frame the value 3 is getting added. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So I think it is clear to you. Returning to the code, here I am changing the axis. Let us see what happened. If I am giving axis equals to 1, what happened? So this time it is adding column wise. Wait for a few minutes and we'll get the output. So the same data frame, the same series, but the output this time gets different because I have given the axis equals to 1. So if you are giving axis equals to 1, that means you are adding the things column wise. Okay, you will see the values 1, 2, 3. The value 1 is added into 1, 2, 3, giving you 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. And the next column 4, 5, 6, 2 is get added over here and you will get the results, the second column. Similarly for 7, 8, 9, 3 is added and you are getting the result, third column here. I think now it is clear to you what is the difference between the axis 0 and axis 1. Let us proceed for the next cell. Here please don't write this output, this is not correct. Okay, I'm proceeding to the next cell where I'm adding binary operation. In the last program I have seen binary addition with data frame and series. Here I am going to add data frame with data frame. So for this I am taking two data frames x and y, and I am creating this data frame using pd.dataframe function. See the data frame, the same data frame I have taken, and I am adding those. New x equals to x dot add y, and I am giving x is equals to 0, print new x. You will get the output like this. Row wise the values are getting added. I think the output here should not be relied upon, so I am going to my next value, next editor, and I'll give you the coding. And give you the coding. I require here three paragraph comment, and here I am going to rectify my code as per our wish. The two data frames x and y, and a new data frame is creating by adding row wise both the data frames. Let us see what will be the output for that. Okay, see the output. I think it is giving the same output here. Yes, so we may understand this here only. So I have the first row as 1, 2, 3, the second row as 4, 5, 6 and 7, 9. I may show you this here only by printing both the data frames, so that we will get the idea. Print x, and here print y, so that we may get the idea actually what is happening over here. Both the data frames I am printing. Here is the result, 147, 147. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 4 is 8, 7 plus 7 is 14. Similarly 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 5 is 10, 8 plus 8 is 16. So it is simple. Okay, so now I am going to change the axis, make it axis equals to 1, and let me see what is the changes done over here. Wait for a few minutes. Yes, when I am changing the axis to 1, it is doing the addition column wise. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 3 plus 3 is 6. See the column wise addition over here. First time when axis is 0, it is doing the addition row wise, and now it is doing it column wise. Very simple. Let us proceed to the next slide. I hope this is quite okay. Here in this slide, merging or joining two data frames. See here, left, the two data frames has been created. One is left, another is right. In the left data frame, we have ID, name and subject, ID12, name Anil Vishal, and subject ID subject 1, subject 2. Whereas in the right data frame, ID12, name Sumer Salil, and subject ID subject 2, subject 4. Now I am merging left and right using the merge function, data frame left, data frame right on ID. On ID we are merging, and see the merging result in the output. It is very simple. You'll see on ID it is merging, so ID 1 and 2, it is there in both the left data frame and right data frame. Subject ID, name and subject ID, it is giving from both the data frame. ID is common here. So it is simple. This is merging of data frames. Please try different style merging. You may change the on. First time I am merging it on ID field. Now it is subject field. On how equals to left. If we are joining or merging, we may give how parameter and on parameter. How parameter, in the how parameter we may mention whether we are doing right or left join, or outer join or inner join, and on parameter will give on which field I want to do the merging. So okay, today I am concluding over here. In the next day we will see the concatenation of two data frames. Okay, fine. Thank you very much.